Hey everyone, welcome back. If your bunq verification is pending, here's what you need to know. Verifications can take a few minutes or to several hours depending on document quality and review volume. So, first give it some time. Make sure the ID that you've submitted is valid and not expired. The name, date of birth, and address must match exactly with the details on your bunq account. If you've uploaded blurry pictures or unclear video selfies, that can delay approval. Ensure you are in a bright area when submitting verification. Do not submit multiple verification requests immediately, as that can slow down the process. If your verification remains pending or for more than 24 hours, contact bunq support directly through the app or official website. That's how to fix the bunq verification pending. Subscribe for more.